Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Magnum Videos. Miss Rosie and I just returned from our adventure up north where we visited the building lot, and I wanted to give you an update on the progress so far. So stick around, I'll be back in just a moment. Alright, before I show you the footage, and we didn't take a lot because there wasn't a great deal that had changed, but I wanted to let you know that it was about, I say 3 to 4 weeks ago that we signed the offer for the building, and from what I've heard, building permits take 3 to 4 weeks, so I'm guessing they're getting pretty close to getting the building permit if they don't have it already. So the construction should begin before long. First thing obviously is the excavation, and then the footings and the foundation walls, and then from there on it just, it goes pretty fast. So anyway, let me show you what we saw today, and I'll be back right after this footage runs. Alrighty, we're at the building site, and I wanted to do an update for you here. As you can see, perhaps you can see, there are some red utility flags out there. So they've come out and marked the utilities so that they can go ahead and excavate, hopefully in the very near future. So that's about all I wanted to show you right this second. As you can see, we still have all the trees in the background there, so that'll be nice. Hopefully they can save some of those. And that's it for this segment. Today is July the 7th, 2019. It is our 47th wedding anniversary. So we thought we would take a bit of video here on the vacant lot so that if something happens to us before the house is built, at least we know that we were here at some point. Okay, that's it for now. And there you have it. Not much change from last time, but things are beginning to move, I think. So it shouldn't be long before the excavation begins, and then I will be showing you footage along the way on each step, hopefully. And it's kind of exciting, actually. We did talk to a neighbor over there right across the street from us who has the same model of house that we're building. It's the Oakwood plan. Let me show you real quick here. I do have a floor plan. I'll go into detail on that in another video, but it's perfect for our needs. And the neighbor, we've been in his house multiple times before they, finished it. And it's exactly the same plan that we're building, so we know what it's going to look like. So I think that's it for now. Hit that subscribe button if this is of interest to you, and click the bell and you'll get a notification when I do another update on the building process. So, talk to you next time. Until I speak with you again, even after that, you stay focused.